Data Importer allows you to import companies and contacts in bulk from an Excel spreadsheet, helping you store all your data in one place. To access the Data Importer, go to People and Places and click Data Import. Then click here to create new records. Before you download the template, it's useful to note that our Data Importer uses an Excel spreadsheet template to import your new companies and contacts in bulk. You'll first need to tick all the data fields you want included in your spreadsheet, and remember to click Show More to ensure you don't miss any. The fields that you aren't able to tick are mandatory. When you're happy with your selection, click Download Template. Now that you've downloaded the template, you can populate it with your data. Any mandatory fields will be marked with an asterisk in the Excel header, meaning you must include data in these cells. Once ready to import your data, click the Next button. This is a really important step. The import rules will determine how we remove duplicate data. Duplicate contacts will be identified by matching their email address with contacts already in the CRM. When a duplicate is found, the importer needs to know what action to take. Once you've selected your preferred import rules, click Next. Now you'll need to upload your spreadsheet file. You can do this either by dragging and dropping the file into the highlighted area or by clicking Select your spreadsheet. If the Data Importer has found issues with your data, these will be highlighted after validating the spreadsheet. If everything is okay with the data, you'll be able to click Next. This will initiate the data import, and you'll be shown a progress bar. When it's done, you'll find all your newly imported data within the CRM. Finally, if you wish to download data you've imported previously, go back to the Data Import page, located under People and Places, and click the Download icon next to the relevant import.